Welcome. Let's talk about marketing tools available for dealers at VolvoPentaShop.com and how they can help you to increase sales, bring new customers, and improve your business process overall. All the marketing features are stored under Marketing in the Admin Tool menu. Let's try out the Creative Invitation Mailing tool first. An invitation will allow users from your campaign to get more benefits. For example, special discounts and services at VolvoPentaShop.com. First step is to define the audience for your invitation. You can include both existing and potential users that you would like to engage. Let's add an email manually to check how it works from the customer side. Once you've finished adding recipients, check the final mailing list and proceed to the email template section. You can choose one of the existing templates or create your own. Let's use Test Invitation Template. Make sure that the link is positioned properly in the message body, as this is where your customers will click to open the invitation. The next screen shows the preview of your email. Make necessary adjustments if needed, then click Send, and you are done. Your customers will start receiving the invitation shortly. Let's check the email box and click on the invitation link to follow the customer flow. Fill in all the required fields: first name, last name, address, zip code, city. Type password and secret question. Agree with offers and legal requirements. Return to your email box and follow the link to activate your account. Done. Now, as a dealer, you can find the statistics of your campaign. For this purpose, go to Track Invitation page under Marketing section and search for all the invitations within your shop. You can expand an invitation to see all the customers and their status regarding your campaign. For example, you can follow up customers who haven't accepted it. It's simple enough. Click on Follow Up and repeat the previous steps. Happy marketing! Great results with VolvoPentaShop.com.